Hello friends, today we will learn how to install BlueJ. Okay, before installing BlueJ, we need to clarify some concepts. Okay, one is JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So this is a software package that provides the environment to run a Java program. So to run a Java program, we need JRE. So JRE is just to execute a Java program, not for development. Clear? The next thing is JDK. So JDK is a development kit. In our software terminology, we refer it to SDK. Okay, SDK stands for Software Development Kit. So similarly, the SDK of Java is JDK. So JDK is a development kit, okay, that provides an environment to develop it, okay, to develop a software program. So to develop a Java program, we need JDK. So JDK is basically J so JDK is a software that has some development kit, okay, and also it has a JRE, so we can develop and run our program. I think it's clear now. Okay, to install JDK, we have to visit this site. Okay, so JDK is a software given by oracle.com, and we have to for BlueJ installation, we need to download the executable from this BlueJ setup file. These links will be given to the description of this video, so don't worry, just see how to install it. Okay, so I copied the URL and this is the page. From here we can see there are JDK versions. The current version is JDK 22. Okay, we can select any of the version, and there are few tabs like Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So according to our PC, so according to our operating system, we need to select the particular operating system. As I have Windows, so I have selected Windows, and we need to download this link, okay, x64 installer. These are the compressed file and MSI installer, better to install the exe file. This is the BlueJ website. We copied the URL and pasted on browser. Just scroll down. There are icons for downloading Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu. So let's click on here. It would be downloaded. These two softwares are downloaded now. Let me install the JDK first. Click yes. Okay, click on next. Just if you want to change the installation path, you can change it. Otherwise, keep a track of it. Okay, copy it, or maybe let me check. Yeah, do one thing. Click on change button, select the path, copy it, and keep it in some notepad. It would be required for future use. Okay, that's why. Okay, click on OK. Next. It would take some time to load. Yeah, this is done. Okay. After installing this, we have to do few things. Okay. Click on the search button. Search for right here environment variables. Okay, edit system environment variables. Open that. Yeah. So under advanced tab, click on this button environment variables. Here are two kind of variables. One is user variable, another is system variable. Okay. So in user variable, so this is already added. I'm just removing it. Let's click on the new button. Okay, type the name as Java underscore home and paste the path we have copied. This is the JDK path. Okay, the JDK has been installed in this path. Click on OK. 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 Finally. Now open command prompt. CMD. You can type CMD here. Okay. For to command prompt, you can type CMD. CMD. Open it. Type here Java space hyphen version. Okay, now it is showing that Java version 17.0.11 has been installed. That is fine. So Java is already installed, or JDK is installed. Okay, JDK is consisting of the JRE plus the development kit. That's great. Now we need to install the BlueJ. Double click on it. Click on next. Yeah, install just for you. Just for you means for me. There may be multiple accounts in my computer, right? My account or someone's account is there, right? So if we select for me, just for you, it would be installed only for me. If we select this radio button, it would be installed for all the users of this machine. Okay, click on next. Yeah, that's fine. No need to copy this path because shortcut icon will be created. I have to wait. Okay, click on yes. Congratulations, we have installed BlueJ. Let's close this. Where it is? Yeah, here it is. BlueJ. Open it. This is the sample file. Okay, having a class. The name of the class is sample. Okay, we are done. If we try to just for checking whether if everything is installed properly, compile it. It is showing that no syntax error. That means class is compiled and no syntax error. That means our setup is correct. JDK version is installed properly and BlueJ is referencing to that JDK version and that and BlueJ can compile the class, even it can run the class as well, right? We know how to run it, or if we don't know, right click, create a new sample. It will create an object. So we can give any name of this. You can write it as my sample. Okay, another red rectangular box would be created. You can right click on and you can run any method. It is asking for an integer. Okay, this is the output of it. Great. So it is working properly, right? Yeah. In next video we will see, is there any other way? Okay, instead of BlueJ, is there any other way we can run Java program? Yes, there are many ways we can run a Java program. This is one of the IDE to run a Java program, and also subsequent video we will see how to use BlueJ. Thank you.